This is how you can start building a smarter fleet operation in next 30 days. What if 30 days from now, your fleet operation could be running faster, smoother, and more efficiently than it is today? Not next year, not someday in the future, just 30 days from now. Most transport companies believe operational transformation requires years of planning, massive restructuring, and complicated training. But the truth is, every major improvement starts with a single decision: the decision to stop accepting inefficiency as normal. Right now, many fleet operators are facing the same challenge: rising labor costs, increasing pressure on depot operations, growing fleets that demand more resources, customers who expect higher standards. These challenges are not unique. They are happening across the transportation industry worldwide. The difference is that some companies are taking action while others continue delaying decisions that could improve their business. The most successful transport operators don't wait until problems become critical. They evaluate their operations, identify bottlenecks, and implement systems designed to support long-term growth. One of the most common opportunities for improvement is vehicle cleaning and depot workflow. It is a daily process that affects productivity, resource allocation, vehicle presentation, and overall operational efficiency. Yet, it is often overlooked until inefficiencies become impossible to ignore. Imagine what the next 30 days could look like. Instead of managing repetitive cleaning tasks, your team focuses on higher value responsibilities. Instead of dealing with inconsistent results, your fleet maintain a professional appearance every day. Instead of wondering whether your depot can support future growth, you have an infrastructure decided to scale with your business. This is what happens when operational decisions are made proactively rather than reactively. At Go&Go, we have worked with transport companies that understood one simple principle: growth requires system. Whether operating tourism coaches, city buses, airport shuttles, or commercial fleets, the business that success long-term are the one investing in efficiency before they absolutely need it. Automation is not about replacing people. It is about helping business perform at a high level. The transportation industry will continue evolving. Competition will continue increasing. Expectation will continue rising. The question is not whether change is coming. The question is whether your business will be prepared when it arrives. 30 days from now, your competitors will either be operating the same way they are today or moving toward a smarter future. Which category will your company be in? If you are ready to improve efficiency, strengthen fleet performance, and build a transport operation designed for the future, contact Go&Go today. Let's discuss how an automatic bus system can help your business take the first step toward a smarter, more scalable operation.